I was about to put these covers on. You'll see I've already put the EFI temp sensor in, which is tucked in behind. However, before doing that, I thought I'd better put some cam shaft seals in. And because I've got the tappet covers off, I've got the seals ready. I'm going to do it without, just going to push them in like so. Nice and simple. Here we go, that's nice and easy. Now the cam caps have to go on the right side. They're on this side, which I'm on the left hand side. The arrows are pointing forward. That's I3, that's I2, this is I1. On the right hand side, the arrows are pointing the opposite way. So this is I5, making the front one I6. Because of course the heads are the same head, left and right. You got me. Am I talking appropriately? I'm going to use a proper torque wrench today. Cam seals in. With the caps on, we can put these covers on. I'm going to do the right hand side one first. Okay, now before I put the left hand side in, we've got a loom that goes through here, front wiring harness. That will be this one. And as you can see, it is a brand spanking new one. That clips on in there. So I made a new loom for this job. Screws in just here. And then this one goes through here. It clips on to the factory spot. And this one clips into the factory spot. Look at that. You do this nut up. No, it's not a nut, it's a bolt. Oh, and then we can put this front cover on. You can see it's all tucked in behind. I don't think that design was Toyota's best thoughts. And torque these up. I put a little bit of Loctite on them as well. Woohoo! Right, on to the next job.